Aina, slow down. No, 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 no. Aina. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Don't go too fast. The bird's gonna fly away. Slow down. Slow down. No, 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 don't go so far. Don't go too fast, Aina. The bird's gonna scare you. Aye? What's that called?
There's another one, and there's another one.
Here's another one.
Over there, back here, the higher.
Yes, that.
Over there.
Oh, not the one here.
Yeah, the one. Sorry, he don't like you.
Okay, another one I saw his one.
His sister don't like you.
Why they don't like me?
Because he said you're going to. You did the. You said you're not.
Oh, whose head here? Whose head?
It's not mine. It is the people one.
That's yours. I think yours, Aina.
No, it's not.
No, it's lady.
No,
It's a lady.
yes. It's always the baby one.
So this is winter in New Zealand. Basically no tree leaves. Everything falls off. Aina, slow down. You're not scared.
Yeah,
You're gonna fall off. I told you. Oh, you can walk. Aina can walk. Aina can walk up the sky.
I'm holding it.
Hi?
I'm holding it.
See? Careful. Be careful, okay?
Maybe I jump off.
Hi? Want to jump off? No, it's so high.
I can.
It's so high. Careful. It's gonna break your foot.
I'm not break my foot. You have socks on.
Even socks, you cannot protect your foot. It's gonna break them.
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you next time, guys.